Good morning. We are headed to Folly Beach, right? We're going to Folly. And we're just waiting for our kids. It's 9:45 now. Something we're learning is they are very slow in the morning. I don't feel like they're normally that slow, but they have had a hard time getting going here.
They're on vacation.
They're on vacation, yeah. So, well, we're on vacation. We get going in the morning. I don't know, when we've taken them to Europe or whatever, we get going in the morning.
Yeah, but we got a limited amount of time left.
What are you talking about?
We're a lot older than they are.
I guess. Anyway, they're out walking the dog now. So our plan is to go to the beach. We're not bringing Tuck. We're just gonna, because you can't bring your dog after 10. And then we're gonna go, oh, we have dinner reservations tonight at Jackrabbit Philly, right?
Yep.
Which is supposed to be kind of an up and coming. I think the chef is a James Beard nominated new chef or something of that nature. Anyway, it's Asian style cuisine and it sounds really delicious. So, and Katie and Ian both love Asian food, so we're excited to try that. And I don't know what we'll do this afternoon. We might not have a lot of time in between by the time we get back from the beach and by the time we have dinner. So we'll take a few shots of the beach and dinner tonight. So hope you guys are doing good and welcome back. So I got some sort of watermelon mocktail, and I have no idea what did Brian get. What did you get?
It's called Looking Good, Billy Ray.
What's in it?
It's got some bourbon in it. And I'm not sure what else.
You don't like peanuts, do you? So this is, what was this? Cucumbers with peanuts, I don't know. Fish tartare. Those were pork and cabbage.
I thought this was a Chinese restaurant.
Some sort of noodles.
Shanghai.
Shanghai. Will you like sit on the fish curry? What was the fish catfish?
All right, good morning. We had a really fabulous time yesterday. Went to the beach in the morning, kind of the morning. We got up kind of late, but we still didn't have a problem finding a parking spot. Spent a good couple hours at the beach. Came home, got a little bit of resting in. A few people were taking naps, taking showers and getting cleaned up. And then we went to Jackrabbit Philly last night, which was really good. A little bit outside of the city, so we had to drive just to get there. But it wasn't a bad drive. It was about 20 minutes from where we're at. And it was really nice. It had a nice patio. We sat inside, but they had a nice patio. The food was really good, all served family style. So we got all like six different things to try with the whole table, and we all left full. Not overly full, but full, and the food, everything was great. So then we got home and took a 15-minute breather and decided to go out for ice cream
Ian
again.
wanted ice
So
cream.
we went down to Mora Iced Creamery, which was also very good, but they were, seems like this is the moral of the story. It's like they were a little short-staffed.
Yeah.
And there was a long line, so it took a little while, but it was still really good.
Yeah.
So on the whole, a very good day.
Yeah. So I think we would definitely recommend
all the things we did.
Absolutely.
Yeah, especially Jackrabbit Philly. It's,
Yeah.
Heritage Asian cuisine or heritage Chinese cuisine. It's food that the chef grew up eating, I guess. So that's what he's trying to replicate, and it was really good. The kids loved it. Yeah, it's small in there. You have to have reservations. It's a pretty popular place.
Yeah.
So, like Brian said, it's about 20 minutes outside of the city, but definitely worth it. If you want something different, I think, I mean, maybe you can get Asian cuisine in town too. I don't know. We haven't really looked. But this place was on some list that I researched too, definitely. And they partnered with Hot Candy and did, for a while, they did some pies too, the hand pies. So we thought it was delicious and
Thumbs up.
definitely go. So anyway, that was it.
All right.
All right.
See you later.